Bonjour, je m'appelle Simon. Depuis les années 1970, le Canada a adopté officiellement le système métrique d'unité de mesure pour quantifier des grandeurs physiques comme la longueur, la masse, le volume et d'autres. Cependant, il est difficile de se séparer de nos bonnes vieilles habitudes. C'est pourquoi certains Canadiens utilisent encore le système impérial de mesure dans certains cas. Et oui, ça peut porter en confusion. C'est pourquoi le scénario qui suit vous aidera à mieux comprendre la différence entre les deux. Cependant, voici quelques mots de vocabulaire qui seront essentiels à votre compréhension du scénario. Premièrement, foot, qui est un pied. Ensuite, inch, qui veut dire un pouce, qui peut être séparé en half pour demi, en quarter pour un quart, en eighth pour un huitième et en sixteenth pour un 16e de pouce. Ensuite, un meter, qui est un mètre, centimeter, qui est un centimètre. Ensuite, on a le tape measure, qui est un ruban mesuré. Ensuite, multiply, qui veut dire multiplier, et divide, qui veut dire diviser. Et pour finir, nous avons round off, qui veut dire arrondir. Alors, bon visionnement.
Wow, Elliot! This house is so beautiful! And big too! Too!
Yeah, my parents are glad they've bought it. They prefer this old-fashioned style to modern homes.
Yeah, that's true. This house has a lot of character. But do you know how long you're gonna live with them?
I'm gonna wait until I finish college, for sure, before moving out. After, we will see.
Well, you will like it here.
And I will like it even more as soon as I will have put some color on these walls.
That's why I'm here to help. But like I said before, you'll have to teach me how to paint because I have never, ever done that.
Well, painting is pretty simple. The first coat is the primer. It helps to cover up the old paint.
Okay, and which one is it?
That can, over there. Bring it closer, please.
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Once the primer is dry, we can put on the first coat of paint. We usually put on 2 coats to cover up the old color.
Okay, and how long does it take to dry?
It usually takes 2 hours to dry.
Okay, and do you have to paint all the walls and the ceiling too?
Painting the ceiling won't be necessary. It looks good.
Okay, phew, because they are high, like 3 meters high.
It's true, it's a high ceiling. Let's spread out the blanket to cover up the floor. That way it will be protected from paint spills and flying droplets.
Okay.
This side, yeah, good.
After priming, what color are we thinking to use? Because if you ask me, I would like yellow. Do you know why?
Why?
Because yellow is energizing.
Yeah, it's true that it will look nice, but my parents are going for a more relaxing atmosphere. So it will be cream and I have some blue too.
This one?
Yeah, this one.
Are you sure this one?
Yeah.
Because it's almost empty.
Well, there is another can in the hallway and it's full.
Okay. I can't find it.
I'm coming. Just a second.
Okay.
So, we will have to calculate to see how many walls we can cover up in blue with the amount of paint that we have.
Okay, and how do we do that?
I have a tape measure. Here, take your hand.
Okay, how long does it measure?
Close to 12.
12 meters? Are you sure?
Meters? My measurement is in feet, not in meters.
Feet? Whose feet are you talking about?
Nobody's feet. Those are measurements, feet and inches. Here we often use the Imperial system to measure things.
Oh, sorry. I don't know anything about the Imperial system.
Well, an inch is about 2.5 centimeters long, and a foot about 30 centimeters long.
Okay, so there are 10 inches in a foot.
No, there are 12 inches in a foot.
Well, doesn't seem very practical to me.
Well, it's more common than you think. A dozen eggs, 12 pack, 12 hours on a clock, 12 months in a year.
Oh, well, I hadn't thought about it that way. But what do you do when you want to measure something that's, let's see, smaller than a foot?
Well, there's an inch, a half of an inch, a quarter of an inch, even an eighth of an inch.
Okay, but what is the shortest measurement?
In construction, we usually stop at 1/16 of an inch, which is the width of a saw blade.
Okay, so the shortest measurement is 1/16 of an inch.
No, in automobile mechanics and engineering, it can get even shorter.
Okay, well, okay. If I understand correctly, when you want to shorten the measurement, you have to take the previous one and divide it by 2.
I never thought of it that way, but it works, yeah.
Okay, well,
So,
let's see. That means it's 3.5 meters.
so remember that. Now let's measure the height of the ceiling.
Okay.
8 feet, 3 inches.
So 2.4 meters, that's right.
So now we multiply the length by the height, which means 3.5 times 2.5.
2.4.
Yeah, but I rounded it off. It's easier to calculate. So 3.5 times 2.5 equals 9. So 9 square meters.
Okay. Well, on here it says that it can cover up almost 14 square meters. But that means that we have only enough paint to cover this wall for just one coat.
So we don't have enough.
Well,
We could put on the first coat of paint and then get some paint later.
later? How about now?
Now?
Yeah.
Now it is, I guess.
Okay.